Oh!
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Oh my god! Hey guys, how's it going? Today we are at the Edge Space. As you can see, this is actually a wax figurine of Brian.
You see, he's not really there.
Yeah, he's not really there. So today we're collabing with Team Edge. So after this video, make sure you check out their video. It's gonna be awesome.
So today we're gonna be making all of these quads into boxcars, and we're gonna be crashing into each other. We're gonna do a demolition derby challenge.
Oh yeah.
And whichever boxcar survives the best is the winner.
Yeah, and so obviously whoever loses has to endure a punishment. It's not gonna be very fun. So we're making these out of PVC pipe and cardboard, obviously the materials of a lifetime.
Oh, dude, that hurt.
I'm so sorry.
Dude. What was that for? Dude, I'm out.
I'm sorry, dude. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Didn't mean it. Hit him in the face. Well, anyways, we're gonna go say hi to Team Edge and then get building. Shh, let's go find them.
Where's Joey? What? Oh, there he is.
Ooh, nice camera.
Thank you.
This is your introduction. What do you
I'm
have
so nervous. I'm so excited to play fun games with Jeff and Chris or Cam.
Either one.
What do you have to say,
Where
Morgan?
did the name Cam come from?
I'm not even here, bro. My username.
Oh, that's where Cam came from.
Is this you?
That is me.
So do you like to look at yourself? Is that why you have this on your desk?
I put this up and I kiss it once a day.
That's a little
creepy.
scary, dude. I don't think I want to collab with
get
you
out of
anymore.
here. Go.
Okay. What's his butt?
Hello. Some
Oh, hey,
YouTube
guys.
videos.
Oh, look who it is.
It's just Paul right here,
Yeah.
right there. Tanner right here. Samantha right here, or Shamatha, and then there's
It's Connor.
Connor Hole.
What's up?
Guys, check it out. It's Robert.
Hey, don't. You're gonna make me spill. Oh.
This is where he works.
Yep, he works at High Five Studios as an editor.
What do you have to say?
Nothing,
What do you have to say? Tell us. Tell us.
I'm on my lunch break. Leave me alone.
So we're gonna be building this kind of like the truck tank with PVC pipe. If you guys haven't seen that video, check it out. Card right up there. But yeah, we're gonna put PVC pipe as the frame because we can't just chuck a box in it. We have to put this as the frame and then kind of build the structure
Yeah,
of
we
it,
got to attach it to the frame.
and then attach the cardboard to the frame.
That's what I just said.
Oh. You guys ready to go see the box cars?
Yeah.
Are you excited, Joey?
I'm actually super excited to film this. I've been looking forward to this since you guys started.
Brian, it's time to come look at the box cars, my dude.
I gotta brush my teeth though.
Dude, did you fart? It smells like butt in here.
It's a sushi burrito. Oh, it's horrible.
Yeah, I want to see this thing.
We'll wait for you outside.
All right, let me go brush my teeth first.
Okay.
Oh. Oh, look at the propeller.
Yeah, this
Yep.
is the plane.
I didn't never see
This
that.
is the Waymo. That one's yours.
Otherwise known as the
Of
Joey
course.
Mobile.
Fantastic.
Because he's lame. Look how
And
lame
then this
he
one's
is.
the tank.
It's just not for show. It's for efficiency and performance.
Right.
I mean,
I'm
you
cool
could
with
put it
that.
that way. So you can put it
Cool with that.
So yeah, this is a tank, and then that one's a car over there on the end.
Okay, so this is obviously an airplane.
Yeah. This one's gonna like take off.
I want to
and,
be
like,
the
fly.
tank. Okay, so who gets what? I get the
You get this one.
the lane mobile.
Jeffrey's gonna take the plane because he wants to be a pilot, and then Brian can have that one.
Oh,
And I'll try and fit in the tank, but
you're
no,
going
it's
to the
not really.
military, right?
Yeah, it's not really built for tall people.
Am I gonna test this out?
Yeah, test it out.
Are these?
You broke the wing. Oh.
Hopefully these are charged.
Yeah, they charged him.
Pretty sure they are.
Yeah, that works really well. It's not dragging or anything. That works great.
Oh man, I'm gonna ram somebody. You're gonna get busy.
Nice.
What do you think?
I love it. I'm stoked. I'm stoked to ram somebody really
So
hard.
what do you think is gonna happen when we crash into each other?
Just exactly what the title says. Demolition.
It's Brian. What do you think of our box cars here?
Those are dope.
This one's yours right here.
It's called the Roadster.
Ooh. What year is it?
17,000.
I want to see Chris in this.
All right, Chris, get in. Let's see Chris crawl into here.
Oh no.
Don't break it.
Oh, I hear crunching. I made it.
You did it.
Yeah, these are sick.
Okay, you ready? I'm gonna close the hatch.
Yeah.
How is it?
It's nice and roomy in here. Okay, here we go. Oh!
Yeah.
Look at that thing.
Don't demolition yet.
Dude, that thing looks. That is sick. It looks so cool.
Let's begin Demolition!
Oh yeah.
So we're gonna be doing a free-for-all. Whoever's car gets the most destroyed is gonna be shot up by this modded Nerf gun of death. It's gonna be awesome.
That literally almost hit me in the face.
What's that, Brian?
Off the wall.
All right, dude, what's your strategy?
I don't need a strategy. I got a tank.
That's true. Yeah, you're fine. All right, J. Fred, what's your strategy?
I see those little wings on Jeffrey's plane over there. I'm gonna turn him into a little Nemo. I'm gonna bust those wings off, baby.
All right, Brian, what's your strategy?
To win.
That's not a strategy. What's your strategy to win?
Win.
It's not a strategy. It's
Sure
just
it is.
doing
You win. That's my
the
strategy.
thing.
I'm gonna win.
I'm gonna fly over everyone. It's gonna be great.
It's gonna be so cute.
See you in the skies, me bucko.
Can I use my hands?
No.
To do what?
No, to
I
rip
mean,
stuff
if you
off.
want to pick
no.
your nose, go ahead.
I wanted to
You know,
punch his
I'll
tank and
also
be
do
like,
that.
bah!
Punch my tank.
Round starts in 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh. Just sat there. Oh my gosh.
Oh, we're stuck!
Oh! My tank is falling apart. I don't know what's happening.
Watch the knees, guys, when somebody's
Hold on,
running
I'm back it up. Dude, his is falling apart. Go after Chris! No! No! Oh!
Guys, I'm pretty much just a quad right now.
Let me back up. Don't hit me.
You gotta back
I
up, back.
still
Put your
have
foot down.
cardboard.
Put
I'm
your
still
foot down.
good, guys.
Oh, what? It's coming off. Oh, he's done. You're out, dude.
You're out.
You're out.
Oh, he's
still
like
have
not even in
cardboard.
it.
I'm still a tank.
Oh, oh. Sorry, Whitney. No! Woo! Hey, that's dangy. Oh.
I just got out of that one.
No! No!
Oh, what happened?
I'm still alive.
Yes!
Am I out? No, I'm still good. I'm still good.
Look at Chris.
The Lambo for the win!
Oh!
Watch out!
Dude, what in the world?
Oh, dang it! I didn't see you.
Yeah!
You got nothing, dude.
No, I still got pieces.
I'm stuck.
No! No!
And we're stuck.
Wait, Joey's out.
Oh no! I just
Joey's out. Chris is out.
Gosh.
Whoa, hold it. Oh, stop.
The camera fell. The camera fell.
All right, we're back.
We can still crash into people even though we don't
Camera's
have
still
boxes.
working, so we're good.
No. Oh, got him.
What was that face?
Oh, he's done. Is he? Yeah, you're done.
Oh!
Whoa. Wait, I still got stuff. I'm like,
Oh, he fell
wait,
off.
who wins? Do I win?
I'm okay.
Get away from me. Oh.
There's still a piece on Brian.
Oh.
Watch the wall.
Wait. Ah. All right. I think.
You gotta get this piece off of Brian.
Oh.
I'm winning. No.
Yes. It broke off. Hey. Ow.
Watch out, Joe.
Ow.
You're gonna slide the.
Whoa.
That's it, right? Is that it?
I think
that's it.
I think Jeffrey won. Right?
Yeah,
Who
'cause
was
Jeff
the
had-
first one out?
I still have a piece on.
I
was
was the
Chris,
first one
by
out.
far.
I still have a piece.
Chris was out like in like 5
Jeff
seconds.
wins.
Guys,
He's
I
got
still
a
have a
piece.
piece on here.
You won.
That was fun. That was legitimately fun.
That was
Wait,
fun.
so that means that I have to get shot by the modded Nerf gun?
I guess you're out first.
Yes.
All right, baby. Jeff gets to shoot him since he won.
Oh no.
Chris,
What?
it's gonna hurt.
Are you ready for your
Is
punishment?
it really?
Go for the neck.
I shall knight you.
Oh, thanks. Ow.
That was cute.
Thank you.
It's gonna hurt.
Better start driving, my boy.
All right. Ah. Ow, 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 ow. How much ammo does he have? Ow, ow.
It's hurting him. It's hurting him.
Oh.
Shake it. Make it up. No, wait.
There's still more?
Yeah, no, it's out.
Oh my god.
That hurt?
Dude, that hurt.
I'm laughing like Joey.
Keep the.
So yeah, Hoverboard Quidditch Challenge, click right here to go check that out, and then over here's the recommended video, whatever YouTube recommends. So we hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time. Peace out.